Baby, will you marry me?
What? I can't date a poor guy like you. You didn't even go school. Come on, leave my front. Hey! Why are you disturbing me like this? I can't date a poor guy like you. Just leave my front.
Baby,
Good afternoon.
Happy Sunday.
Same to you.
I've been
Long
missing
time.
you. I've been missing all this while.
Yeah.
So how are you doing today?
Fine, fine.
Oh, baby. Yes, baby. I've been missing all this while. So, sorry. Who's this guy standing over there?
Sorry, baby, sorry. I don't know him. He just disturbing me every day. I'll be telling him that he should leave my way, but he refused.
Hello, girl. What's up? So anyway, have you listened to the new song by Bernard Smart?
No.
You like to listen to it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me play it for you. Play.
Monica package, I know, but can never be compared to you, my lover. Oh my lover, tell me why you crying. Baby, tell me what's the matter, make I know. Tell me please, oh my lover, Jetta, be Jessica. Baby, tell me kini doctor say mo fi sibe. Cause I'll never leave baby mama for Monica.
The what? Phone call?
Hey!
Phone call? Phone call goes, the one that I want to tell you.
Run!
Hey! I hear me, bá mi. She's what?